perfect oat milk in 20 seconds. You will need 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. Quick and steel cut won't work. 4 cups of refrigerator chilled water. Cold water from the tap is not cold enough. It's gotta be ice cold from the fridge to prevent gumminess. A fine mesh nut milk bag. Cheesecloths won't work for oat milk. A high-speed blender. Blenders work better for oat milk than food processors. Add the oats and water to your blender. Blend on the highest speed for 15 seconds. Don't overblend or it warms the oat milk up and makes it gummy. Strain the oat milk through the fine mesh bag. Voila! Perfect oat milk. Place in the fridge up to 4 days. It's natural for it to separate, so just give it a good shake before each use. Want it sweet? Add some maple syrup or honey and maybe a splash of vanilla before blending. Share this video with people you know who would also like to know how to make perfect oat milk. Hit that subscribe button to be a part of my channel, Clean Food Living. Check out some of my other videos here, and I'll see you next time.